Hi, my name is Dave Gifford. This is a follow-up video to show you some improvements to the section list macro that I'm working on. The macro is to create section headers like this and easily create notes that fit underneath them. This is an example. I was taking some notes on Peter Abelard, and I wanted a section with his life and a section with his ideas. And so here is a numbered list of different items, notes that I took from different dictionaries. And here's one with his ideas. And you can see that it includes things like tables and things like that you can fit not just lines of text, but entire tiddlers transcluded with any content that you want to add to it. You can see these plus buttons. That's in order to generate new notes for this particular list. And I'll show you that by closing this and opening a new tiddler. I'm going to use the SL section list button, and I'm going to go ahead and create two of these just so you can see how this works. The item labels section, those are just unique identifiers so that you don't have to do anything with that. Those make sure that all the notes that you create for this section show up under this section. So just ignore that. The header text is what you want to show up in the slider, in the section header. So I'm going to put section header A and section header B. And I'm going to go ahead and add a note. This is a note. The title is a date and time stamp so that you don't have to deal with titles. Tags you don't have to do anything with unless you want to. I'm going to show you this in a moment. The note is you just replace the X with your note. This is a note. And you see the item label shows up there. The source, I've got a source here, Thinking Fast and Slow, that I've added to this box. And by having my source in there, it automatically gets added to the source field of every note tiddler that I create for this system. And I can add a page number 88. The order field is just in case you want to order the tiddlers in your section list by some other way other than by title. And I'm going to save this, and if I open up section header A, you can see that this is a note, and the source and the page number are all there, and a link so that you can open up that tiddler and edit it and fix it in case you messed up or something. Same thing here, we can create another one. The my source and link basically add this source and the page number and a link to the tiddler. So you leave that alone, you leave that there so that you get all your information. If you don't have a source, if you don't have a page number, then nothing will show up. Why don't we go ahead and do that? This is another note. I'm going to save that. And you can see under there, this is another note. And I've got a link to the article. And there's no source, there's no page number. So it's a very flexible system for however you want to use this. One kind of fun thing, let me open up Abelard again, is that I have a button so that you can expand and contract all of the, I don't know why it's doing that to the search button, but you can expand and contract all of the notes, all the section headers, I should say. Anything else to show you here? There's instructions here on the side in case you want to try it out, and also the tiddlers that you'll need to install by dragging to your TiddlyWiki in order to install it. I hope you test it out and try it out for yourself and give me some feedback. I'll have a link above this video so that you can send feedback to the TiddlyWiki discourse forum. Thanks for being my guinea pigs and trying this out, and I hope this keeps getting better and better for everybody who uses this.